Hello children, good afternoon everyone. Myself Uma. Welcome back to our online session of Standard 2 subject English Grammar. So in the previous chapter we have learned about describing words. It's adjectives. Describing words are the words which describes the quality or quantity of a person, place, animal or thing. Hope all of you understood the topic very well. Now let's begin today's new topic. Today we are going to learn making smaller words and the kangaroo words. So first we learn making smaller words. Making smaller words. Making smaller words means that in a word the last end, the word ends with M-E-N-T, I-N-G, N-E-S-S-F-U-L. In the end of the word, if these letters will come, to make a smaller word, all you have to do is strike off the ment, I-N-G, N-E-S-S-F-U-L, full. To make the word smaller. In the previous, students, can you remember that in the grammar we have learned to add one letter before or after to the given word to form a new word. So in this, making smaller words means in a bigger word. In the bigger word, the end of the word, M-E-N-T, I-N-G, N-E-S-S and F-U-L, full. These words, if you will strike off, so you will get a smaller meaningful word. So let's see some examples that you can understand this topic very well. Now the topic name is what? Making smaller words. So here it is given a big word. What it is given? Statement. In this, what we have to follow? The end of the word. Ment, I-N-G, N-E-S-S-F-U-L. So you have to strike off. So you will get a small new word. Now here it is, which word is given? Statement. Here it is given statement. So here any end of this word, any word is given, M-E-N-T is given. So if you want to make a small for this, if you will strike out the state, M-E-N-T, is there any meaning? No. We have to strike out the last end of the letters. M-E-N-T, for example, M-E-N-T, N-E-S-S-I-N-G, F-U-L. If you will strike out this M-E-N-T. So which word came here? Small word. Which small word become here? State. Is it, students? Understood very well you? See, statement. When you will strike out M-E-N-T, these letters, end of this word, so you will get a new small word, that is state. We'll see the next one. Can you read this word? Harmful. So again you have to remember which end of the letters we have to strike out. M-E-N-T, F-U-L, I-N-G, N-E-S-S. Now here end of the word, any F-U-L letters are there? Yes. So if you will strike off this F-U-L, so which word we will get here? Harm. Understood, students? We'll see the next one. Falling. So this end of this word falling, ing word is there here? Yes, here ing word is given. So if you will strike off this ing, which word you will get? Small word? Fall. Yes? We'll see the next one. Can you read this word? Greatness. Now again you see end of this word, any N-E-S-S letters a word is given here, it is given. So if you will strike off N-E-double-S, so which new small word will come here? Great. Understood? Let's see few more examples. Now which word is given here? Hopeful. So end of this word, any F-U-L letters or word is given here? Yes. So you have to strike out this F-U-L. So you will get a new word, small word, hope. Suppose if you will cancel this hope and if you want to write a full, there is no meaning of that and it will be a wrong spelling. So always remember here in this chapter, you have to search the end of the word M-E and words that end in M-E-N-T, F-U-L, N-E-S-S, I-N-G. If you will strike out that words, you will get one small meaningful word. We'll see the next one. Enjoying. Here any end of this word, any ing word is given here? Yes. So you have to strike off that ing. So you will get a new word, that is enjoy. We'll see the next one. Can you read this word? Arrangement. So can you see in this word, end of this word, any M-E-N-T word is given? Yes, you have to strike out and strike off and you will get a new word, small word, arrange. We'll see the next one. Sharpness. Again you remember that if you want to make a small word, so which end of the word, which letters you will strike off? N-E-S-S. If you will strike off this N-E-S-S, end of this word, so you will get a new word, sharp. Let's see the next one. Fearful. Now end of this word, any F-U-L word or letters are there? As F-U-L. If you will strike off this, so which word you will get? Fear. Now which word is given? Cheerful. If you want to make a small word, so for that you have to strike out the end of this letter F, end of this word F-U-L. So you will get a new word, cheer. Now again, it's a very big word, forgiveness. So here the rules are what to make a small words. The end of each word, if the word ends with F-U-L, N-E-S-S, I-N-G, M-E-N-T. So you have to strike out, so you will get a small meaningful word. Now here, so end of this word, N-E-S-S scheme, so you have to strike off this, so you will get a small word, forgive. We'll see the next one. Treatment. So this treatment ends with M-E-N-T. Again we have to strike off, then you will get a small letter, treat. So all of you understood, students, this? Kindness. Again it ends with N-E-S-S. So if you will strike off, so you will get small word, kind. Payment. So this payment word ends with M-E-N-T. So we have to strike off. So you will get small word, pay. We'll see the next one. Punishment. Again this word ends with M-E-N-T. So you have to strike off. So you will get small word, punish. We'll see the next one. Forgetful. So this word ends with F-U-L. You have to strike off, so you will get a new word, forget. So students, hope all of you understood this topic very well. How to make smaller words from the given word. So there is a rules. The word ends with ment, ful, ness and ing. So you have to strike off of that and you will get a new smaller word. So by seeing this picture, what do you think that a man is walking? Now again this word ends with ing. To make a new word, so we have to strike off ing. You will get a new small word walk. We'll see the next one. So what do you see in this picture? It's a picture of raining. So raining. Again this raining word ends with ing. You have to strike off ing. So you will get a new word rain. Now what do you see in this picture? A boy is singing. Singing, again it ends with ing. To make a small word, you have to strike off ing, then you will get a small word sing. Students, all of you understood this topic very well. Now again one more picture is given here. What do you see? A girl is sleeping. Why like that? Because she is very sick. Sickness. Because of sickness, she is sleeping. So by seeing the picture, you can identify. So again, in this word sickness ends with ness. So if you will strike off this ness, you will get a new word that is sick. She is very sick. Now, all of you understood about the making smaller words. So always remember how to make a smaller words. The word ends with ing, ful, ment, ness. You have to strike off that, so you will get a small meaningful word. Now we'll move to kangaroo words. You are thinking, what are the kangaroo words? The kangaroo words are the words. They will be given a big word. So from that word, you can make as many words, meaningful words. Kangaroo words are the find two smaller words hidden inside the following words. There is a word will be given. From that, in that word, many words will be hidden. So you have to find out the hidden words that are called the kangaroo words. So let's see what are the kangaroo words. Now what is given here? The word shell. In this shell, we have to find out two words. The two words are hidden in this big word. So which word? Tell me. H-A-L-L, hall. You have to find out the meaningful words, not like that only. You can find out the 2-letter words, 3-letter words according to the given word. It will come H-A-L-L, hall, or it will come A-double-L, all. Yes or no? See, H-A-double-L, hall, A-double-L, all. So these are called the kangaroo words. The kangaroo words are hidden in this bigger word. From the given word, you have to find out many hidden words from this given word. It should be meaningful. The next one is given mason. If you will write M-A is mass, S-O-N sun, O-N on, so it's wrong. M-A-S, is there any meaning? It's a not any meaningful word. So you have to find out the words which is meaningful. Which words are hidden in this and it should be meaningful. Now in this M-A-S-O-N, mason is given. You can make a word S-O-N, sun, O-N, on. Or you can make A-S, as also. As many words you can make. S-O-N, sun, O-N, on. You see the next one? Now it is given alone. From this alone word, you have to find out two kangaroo words. The two kangaroo words hidden in this word. You can write O-N-E-1, L-O-N-E, lone. Lone, one. You can write O-N, on also. A-N, and. Like that also you can find out. There are so many kangaroo words you can find out. The kangaroo words are hidden in the given word. Now again share is given here. You can write H-A-R-E, here, and A-R-E-R. You can find out S-H-E, she also. Yes? Hair, R. In this word father, find out the two kangaroo words hidden. Two small kangaroo words are hidden in this. Tell me. F-A-T, fat. H-E-R, her. Yes or no? Fat, her. Very good. In the pin, find out which are the two hidden words in this. You can make P-I-N, pin also, I-N, in also, I-N-K, ink also. Ink, in, you can write pin. What in this? Which words are hidden? Two kangaroo words. H-A-T, hat, A-T, at. Yes or no? H-A-T, hat, A-T, at. Now chair. Find out two hidden words in this. H-A-I-R, hair, H-A-I-R, air. Yes or no? Hair, air. Both are different meanings. Hair means our hair, air means surrounding. The wind comes. Now plate. Now tell me which hidden words are there in this. You can write L-A-T-E, late, A-T-E, 8, T-E-A, T, P-E-A-P, like that also, late, 8. Farmer, far, F-A-R-M, farm also it will come, A-R-M, arm also it will come, yes or no? Farm also it will come, farm, arm. Mother, what will come? O-T-H-E-R, other, H-E-R, her, other, her. Now in this small word, mall, all. Yes or no? Mall, all. In the plate, late, eight. In the farmer, farm, harm, are, mother, other, her, small, mall, all. Now, with the help of this picture, we'll find out the two hidden words from this given word. We have to find out two hidden kangaroo words from this given word. Here the pictures are given. Which word is given? It's trice. T-H-R-I-C-E, trice. So which picture is this? It's a picture of rice. And which picture is this? Eyes. So from this, R-I-C-E, rice, I-C-E, eyes. So with the pictures also you can find out the two kangaroo words. We'll see the next one. What do you see? Which picture? This is a picture of lace. It's a picture of A's. Word is given, place. Lace, L-A-C-E, lace, A-C-E, ace. From the place, with the help of this picture, you can find out two small kangaroo words. From place, lace, the word gold? Yes, G-O-L-D, gold. And by looking this picture, what do you feel? It's an old man. Is there any old word in this? Yes, old. Marigold, old, gold, old. Yes? Yes. So with the help of the pictures also you can find out two kangaroo words. So students, hope all of you understood today's topics very well. We have learned about the making smaller words as well as kangaroo words. In the making smaller words, you have to strike off the end of the word, that is ing, ment, nessful. If you will strike off the each word end of the each word, if the letters will come, so you can make one small meaningful word. Then in the kangaroo words, you can make as many as words hidden in the given word. So thank you. Be safe. Stay home.